Hey yo, we back with another Trarags banger, man. When your mom hits you in front of your friends, real short and sweet. Let's get into it.
What y'all trying to do, man? What y'all trying to do? Y'all trying to invite some girls over? What's up, bro? You trying to invite some girls over? Bro, get the hell out of here. What is he talking about?
Bro.
You know your mom is not going to allow no girls over.
Exactly.
Like, worry about my mom, bro. Listen, bro,
Okay.
listen. This is my room, my house, bro. Invite whoever over.
Okay.
Real, get your... Why, when I went into the washroom, why was a pair of your dirty boxers on my feet? Oh, my bad. I must have forgot it on the floor. My bad. I won't do that again.
Damn!
Oh, dog, it's the way that he hit himself, or make the way he hit himself look is goated, bro. I ain't gonna lie. The wind up, it's just like everything about it just work. I need to figure out how to do shit like that for when I be making videos, cause golly.
Oh my God.
Don't do it. That ain't even hurt, y'all. What you say? Huh? What you say? I couldn't hear you from back there. What you say? Cause I think you said something. What you say? What you say? What did you say? Chill off me. Chill out, yo.
Chill out, yo.
Chill.
Damn!
Don't get smart with me, Trey. Don't get smart with me. That ain't hurt, y'all. That didn't hurt?
Nah, that's OD. Baseball bat is crazy.
You could say it hurt, bro. I said that ain't hurt. What she talking about? Let's fix that. Let's fix that, then. What she talking about, bro? Bro, okay. It's okay. Stop. We about to find out.
Yo, chill.
Yo, chill.
Oh, that's crazy as hell, man. Hey, I love Trarags kids, bro. That's wild. But people do always be trying to put on for their friends, man, and they end up doing more harm than good. You know what I mean? Unfortunately for them. That's gonna be it for this video, man. Like, comment, share if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new, and I'm outie.